everybody, Enrique here with Enrique's Home Buying Channel, and today we are going to talk about rates. How are rising rates going to affect me in 2022? Welcome back, Enrique here. I hope you're having a great week, and this is Enrique's Home Buying Channel, where I get to talk to you about everything related to real estate, financing, and the purchase of a home. So this is where you get your answer. So make sure you hit subscribe. And if you are in the process of buying a home or you want to find out more, go check out our videos. We have so many videos with great content, lots of great topics that are going to help you and educate you. Take the opportunity to learn from the experience we have of so many years helping hundreds of families. We bring it to you on this channel, and I hope you get an opportunity to learn more. So here we are at the beginning of 2022, and people are worried about rates. People are wondering, okay, how are these rates going to affect me if I'm thinking about purchasing a home? Well, first of all, the first thing I'm going to tell you is that yes, rates are moving in the direction of higher rates. We already knew this. This is not a surprise, right? So if you go back and look at my videos, you go back and look at my Facebook page, you go back and look at everything that I've been posting, I have been telling everybody since the summer of 2021 that rates were coming to an end in terms of low rates, and that we were going to start seeing rates in the higher 3% range and perhaps the 4% range. And here we are at the beginning of 2022 with rates that are higher than we want them to be. Now, how is that going to affect you? Well, there's many ways. If you're thinking about buying a home and you already got qualified for a certain amount, and let's say you got qualified in November or December or October of last year, that qualification may be affected because rates are higher, which means chances are you may qualify for less. I've had some buyers that we were able to get them, say, for a loan of a purchase price of, say, $350 or $345 or $375, and that was in November. That could easily be $325 or $330 now because rates are higher, payments are higher, therefore they don't qualify for as much. So if you were already a little tight on your qualification, my suggestion is that you got to go back to your mortgage professional and find out if they can requalify you and where you are now in terms of a payment, right? You're also going to have to adjust your expectations. This is going to affect you in a way that may be more psychological. You know, if you had a budget where you wanted to have a payment of $2,400, now that payment may be $2,500, $2,600, $2,700. You're going to have to make that adjustment to make sure that your budget allows for you to be able to carry that payment. Now, the market is still very competitive. A lot of people think that just because interest rates are higher, there's going to be less buyers in the market. That's not the case. Buyers are still very aggressive. They're still looking for homes. They're still overbidding on houses. They're still waiving contingency. So there's a lot of craziness going on. But working with the right realtor and the correct mortgage broker is going to get you to the finish line in great, great shape. So having the right professionals by your side, it's a big deal. So in short, yes, the rates are going to affect you because your buying power may be reduced, your budget may have to be increased, and your payments may actually go up. So talk to your mortgage professional, find out what's going to happen. Now, I'm going to leave you with this thought. A lot of people ask me, what do you think is going to happen, Enrique? You are the expert. You have been doing mortgages for so long. You probably know. Well, I'm going to tell you the same thing that a stockbroker would tell you about the market. We have a pretty good idea, but we don't know for sure because it's not an exact science. Rates are actually determined by a lot of factors, and a lot of it has to do with the economy, with the way that the policy of the government, wars, situations, financial situations, the pandemic, all of it affects rates. Our belief and our understanding is that rates are not going to come down in the next 2 to 4 months. That rates may either stay where they are or most likely increase a little more. We do not have the expectation that rates are going to go down. So for those of you who think, well, maybe I'm just going to ride it out and hopefully by May or June of 2022, rates are going to go back down in the twos, that's really not the expectation. Every single expert that I talk to, every single expert that I follow tells us the exact same thing. The economy is already dictated by the policy of the federal government. The federal government is telling us rates are not coming down. In fact, they're likely to go up. I'm not trying to scare you. I'm just trying to give you a perspective that is hopefully going to help you make wise decisions along with your realtors and along with the people that you're working for. So I hope you have a great day. Please reach out to us if you have any questions. Comment below, subscribe, and check out the rest of our videos. We're always here for you. Thank you for watching Enrique's Homebuyer Channel. Talk to you soon.